My name is Ubavka DeNoble. I'm Senior Vice President and I'm Senior Medical Advisor for Asia and for Europe. My best friend was diagnosed with epilepsy. Of course, as her best friend, I went through it with her and I know how difficult it is. When I joined the industry, the first drug that I worked on was anti-epileptic drug, and it was add-on treatment drug. And discovering new drug is not something that happen, in few days or few months. This is a tedious work. You have absolutely innovative science and you have people that have a great idea. Sometimes they fail. If they fail, they get up and they continue. There is no other way.
When I was a little girl, my dream was to become a biochemist and change the world, improves the world's health. I always dreamed big. I went to the university and I got pregnant of my first girl. I had to pivot and switch to pharmacy. I graduated from pharmacy when my second kid was 2 months old. I never give up. I continued studying because my dream was always to become a biochemist, and I graduated from biochemistry when my third kid was 1 year old. There were challenges throughout the whole journey. I had my family and I had managers supporting me. Well, I'm here to support these biotech companies achieve their goals, and they also dream big. I'm living my dream with Parexel Biotech.
There's probably no way I could have scripted it 20 years ago that I would end up here, but from an early sort of academic focus on science and then in business, early jobs as site coordinators and enrolling patients in clinical trials, and then moving into the CRO space on the services side, and then going through the experience of losing my father to still an uncured disease and dementia and Lewy body's dementia. I just feel like it's so incredible that I'm here working with pharmaceutical and especially biotech companies every day to innovate and find new therapies. What's been amazing over the last 2 years is how the model has evolved. Not only is it fit for purpose and tailored for our customers, but we've really been able to offer all of our services in an integrated way across the development continuum, starting with planning and consulting and regulatory work, delivering clinical trials, and now being able to help them register and commercialize those assets. It's been an amazing journey.
The real point here is it's not about the medicine or the device. It's about what we can do for the outcome of the patient. I had a mother who had multiple medical issues related to an automobile accident that she had when she was very young. And so I had a lot of exposure to hospitals, treatments, medications early on in my life. And I saw good medical care and I saw not so good medical care, and each one of those instances were really important to me and drive what I do today, because I believe what we are doing is driving great medical care in the future.
I'm working for those patients that in the end they see hope, in the pharmaceutical industry providing an alternative option for treatment. And what I do every day is not giving up for them.
We're so fortunate to be on the forefront of what's going to happen next. And every day through our customers, we see those opportunities to treat patients and cure disease.
In Parexel, we like to pride ourselves that everything that we do with heart. And you feel it.